Oh, it's you. Go on then.
How about I swap you my sword for your pea shooter?
Wow! Here, take my pea shooter. Just wait until my big sister shows her face around here.
I hope I'm not responsible for the consequences of this.
What year is it?
Don't you mean, what time is it?
No. I mean, what year is it?
Beats me.
I guess I could do with another decade or so anyway. Take that pea out, will you?
How long have you been asleep for?
I dunno. Takes me ages to get comfy. But once I'm gone, I stay gone.
What's with all the mattresses?
It's the only way I can get comfy.
Hey darling, how about you and me getting, up to something?
How about you removing that pea and me sleeping?
All in good time?
What'd you wake me up for anyway?
Got any ideas about how to keep the baby quiet?